Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily calculate the sum of a column in Google Sheet. Let's get into it. First, click on the empty cell where you want the sum to appear. For example, let's say we want the sum to show in cell F23. Now type equals to capital SUM open bracket into the cell. This is the formula that tells Google Sheets you want to add up some numbers. Next, click and drag to the range of cells in the column that you want to add. For example, if your numbers are in F4 to F22, select that range. Was selected, close the parenthesis. Now press enter and you'll instantly see the sum of those numbers appear in the cell you selected. If you don't want to type the formula, there is an easy way to do it. Just click on the explore button in the top right corner of the screen. Google Sheet will often suggest a sum of the column you are working with, and that's how you get the sum of a column in Google Sheet. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comment